Hello, this screencast is going to help you memorize a few of the countries of Asia. And for my class, those will be the countries you'll need to know for the final exam. Alright, this is a story about Indiana Jones, and this story about Indiana Jones will help us memorize the countries. So, first of all, we're going to start out finding Indiana Jones. Well, the bottom of Indiana Jones actually is wonderful because it points straight down to the Indian Ocean. So if you know where the Indian Ocean is, that will help. Now, on this side of Indiana Jones, he's got an arm, and there's his head, and then he's got a really long arm over here that actually extends, and it's holding something underneath its arm. And we'll talk about that in just a second. Now, for this side of Indiana Jones, he is always prepared. So he is holding on his back a dinosaur backpack. I think you can see the resemblance to a dinosaur here. But this dinosaur backpack is going to help us remember that on the back of India was here, on the back of India we have the country of Pakistan. Okay, so Indiana Jones is carrying his dinosaur back Pakistan. And then under his other arm, he has a surprise. He's carrying a dish. In fact, it's a Bangladesh for Bangladesh. You might be wondering, why would Indiana Jones be carrying a dish under his arm? Well, it's because he's hungry and he's about to have dinner. What's he going to eat, you might ask? Great question. He is about to have some Chinese chicken. You can see here the shape of China is actually similar to a chicken. There you go. This is little eye. So, again, we've got Indiana Jones. He is always prepared, so he's carrying on his back the dinosaur back Pakistan. He's also carrying under his underarm a dish, a Bangladesh for Bangladesh, and in that dish he is about to have some Chinese chicken. All right. Now, every chicken, as we know, has a beak. Well, what's the last letter in beak? It's a K. So over here on the chicken's beak is beak Korea. Beak Korea. And of course, as we know, there are two different Koreas, and his beak is separated into North Korea and South Korea. All right, now, unfortunately, that Chinese chicken and his beak Korea are staring straight into their future because you see, over here is our frying Japan. Frying Japan. It's our frying pan, and it is about to cook this Chinese chicken with his beak Korea so that it can be placed into that Bangladesh, which can be eaten by India, who is carrying a back Pakistan. So again, our countries are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, North Korea, South Korea, and over here, which I forgot to write, is Japan. All right, that should do it. Hope that helps you memorize the countries of Asia.